everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor and today I'm going to unbox and review Glow Box for October month. So this is the packet which I have received and this one is my first Glow Box. So yes, I'm very excited for this one. Let's just quickly open this and find out what all products I have received. And meanwhile, let me just tell you about Glow Box. So Glow Box is a personalized box, and the reason why I'm calling it a personalized box, because when you make account with Glow Box, they ask your beauty preferences, they ask everything about your skin, your choices, your color preferences, like your skin problems, everything. So they can send you product according to your skin problems, like according to your skin concern, not really problem, but yeah, according to your concern. So that's really nice. And let me tell you the price for 1 month. 1 month subscription gonna cost you around 999. And yes, I have a coupon code by which you can save ₹50. So I'll be putting the coupon code in my description box. You guys can check that. And now let's just find out what all I received in my first Glow Box, or the October month edition. So this is the beautiful box, Glow Box. White, pink and black is the color, and yeah, all three colors are my favorite, so that way it's just nice. Glow Box is written here and the box is magnetic, so the magnetic closure box are really nice. Like, they are very useful. You can reuse them to store your makeup and like whatever product you want to use. Now when I open the box, this is the invoice. So here are the list of the product which they have sent me. Here are the prices of all the products, and now let's just start with one by one. So all the products are wrapped in butter paper, so packing is really nice. The first thing I see is this. It's a handwritten card, which is really special because handwritten cards are always special. This is written by Jyoti Rani, who's the founder of Glow Box. So thank you, Jyoti, for this. Now let's just start with the products. So the first product is by Tuam. This is a face pack, Optin. The quantity is 100 grams, and this is a new brand for me. I have not heard anything from Tuam, and I think I'm pronouncing it right. The price for this one is $5.50. I love Uptons, so yes, I'm going to try this one for sure. The next one is by Mom's Therapy. This is a herbal hair oil. So yes, the name is really nice, Mom's Therapy, and it's a herbal hair oil, so I'm definitely going to use this one. The price for this one is 279 rupees. Now the next one is a gold eye mask by Monsub. So I have used Monsub mask, but this is especially for dark circles. So I don't have dark circles, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is a crystal collagen eye mask, so yes, I think I will use it because I've received it, so I'm going to use this. The price for this one is 200 rupees. The next one is by Tea Treasure. This is a caffeine free tea. So yes, I am happy. I'm a tea person, I'm not a coffee person, so I'm happy to receive this. Price for this one is 150 rupees. The second last one is by Freedom. This is a Be Free to Makeup Professional London. It's a lip gloss, and let me just open it and see the shade. I can see the shade from here. It's pink, and yes, as I've told you, they ask your beauty preferences, so I have told them that I like shades of pink, so that's why they have sent this beautiful pink for me. And now let me just show you the color. Wow, so beautiful. And this is the color. Wow, it's so nice. Yay, thank you Glow Box for this. This is really happy, or like really nice, so I'm really happy with this. Price for this Freedom lip gloss is 700 rupees. Now the last product is this is by Aroma Magic. It's a sample size product. It's not a full size product, it's sample size product, and this one is a free gift. So obviously it's good because it's always good to receive free gifts. This one is a free gift by Aroma Magic. It's an activated bamboo charcoal face wash, and yes, I have already used this product, and this one is not really a great product, but it's a nice decent product. So yes, I'm very happy to receive a free gift. So that's all what I've received in my Glow Box, and I'm quite happy with my first glow box. My first experience is nice. I have received product worth rupees around 1900, 1875 I guess, so 1900, around 1900, and the price for 1 month is 999. So yes, I am quite happy with it. And before ending the video, let me just tell you, this is a festive month, Karwa Chauth is coming, so that's why they are come up with a box, a separate box, not this one. This is the regular subscription box, but they have come up with a festive box. So if you buy that box, you will get 20% discount on that one. So yes, you can check out on their website. I'll be putting the link if you want to check and buy, of course. So that's all for Glow Box, and thank you for watching the video. Stay connected and bye bye.